How to build a business around trading in 2025. The trading landscape in 2025 presents exciting opportunities for entrepreneurs. By leveraging technology, market trends, and innovative strategies, you can create a profitable business centered around trading. Here's how to get started. 1. Identify your niche in trading. Trading encompasses various markets and strategies. Decide on a niche that aligns with your skills and interests. Popular options include stock trading, Forex trading, cryptocurrency trading, commodities or futures trading. Pro tip: explore emerging markets like decentralized finance, DeFi, and carbon credits for unique business opportunities. 2. Build a knowledge base to succeed in trading as a business. Deep market knowledge is crucial. Invest in continuous learning and stay updated on industry trends. Focus on fundamental analysis for long-term strategies, technical analysis for short-term trades, risk management principles. 3. Develop a comprehensive trading plan. A trading plan serves as your business blueprint. It should include financial goals, target markets, risk tolerance and management strategies, tools and software requirements. Automate where possible. Leverage algorithmic trading tools to execute trades faster and minimize human errors. 4. Establish a capital base. A trading business requires sufficient capital to manage risks and maximize opportunities. Start with an amount that matches your business scale and risk tolerance. Funding options: personal savings, investor backing, business loans. 5. Use cutting-edge technology. In 2025, technology plays a critical role in trading success. Utilize tools like AI-driven trading bots for real-time data analysis and execution, blockchain technology for secure and transparent transactions, advanced charting platforms for technical analysis. Stay ahead with innovations. Explore quantum computing and machine learning to gain a competitive edge. 6. Offer trading services. Expand your trading business by providing value-added services, such as portfolio management for clients, trading education through courses or webinars, signal services for daily trade recommendations, monetization opportunities, subscription-based services, commission from managed accounts, affiliate partnerships with brokers. 7. Leverage social media and content marketing. Establishing your online presence can attract clients and build credibility. Share valuable content, such as market insights and trading tips, on platforms like YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter. Content ideas: weekly market analysis tutorials on trading tools, case studies of successful trades. 8. Create a scalable model. A scalable trading business allows you to grow without significantly increasing costs. Strategies include automating processes, outsourcing non-core tasks, expanding into global markets. 9. Network with industry professionals. Building connections with other traders, brokers, and financial experts can provide valuable insights and collaboration opportunities. Attend conferences, webinars, and networking events. 10. Track performance and adapt. Consistently evaluate your trading strategies and business performance. Use analytics tools to identify areas for improvement and adjust your approach based on market changes. Conclusion: trading in 2025 offers immense potential for creating a thriving business. By choosing the right niche, utilizing technology, and staying adaptable, you can build a sustainable and profitable enterprise. Commit to learning, innovate constantly, and always manage risks effectively. Let me know if you'd like help with specific strategies or tools for building your trading business.